Welcome learners to my channel Education India. Today we will talk about BMI. BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It can be defined as a number that reflects person weight in relation to his or her height. It is formally termed as Quetelet Index, which indicate nutritional status of an individual. But nowadays person more rely on BMR rather than BMI. But we must know about BMI to categorize person whether they are underweight or overweight or normal range nutritionally. To calculate BMI, we must know about its formula. Its formula stands for weight in kg divided by height in meter square. We generally take height in centimeter or feet, but for BMI we have to convert it into meter. There are few category to divide person in as per his or her BMI range. Normal range of BMI is 18.5 to 24.9. Those persons who are having BMI less than 18.5 are termed as underweight, and those persons whose BMI more than 25 are termed as overweight. Again, overweight or obese person can be divided into three categories: obesity grade 1, obesity grade 2, obesity grade 3. Those persons whose BMI in between 25 to 28.9 are termed as grade 1 obesity. Those persons whose BMI stands between 29 to 39.9 are termed as grade 2 obesity, and person whose BMI are 40 and above are termed as obesity grade 3. Those who are in obese category are more prone to develop cardiac disease, atherosclerosis, diabetes mellitus. So we must try to keep our weight in normal range to keep a sound health. Now to understand BMI more clearly, we must take few examples. A person whose weight 70 kg and height 172 centimeter, so BMI for that person is 70 divided by 1.72 centimeter into 1.72 centimeter, and the value is 23.33 kg per meter square, which is in normal range as per my previous slide. And person whose weight 50 kg and height 172 centimeter, so BMI for that person is 50 divided by 1.72 into 1.72, and the value is 16.90 kg per meter square, and the person is underweight. And the person whose BMI is 70 pound and height 112 centimeters, so BMI for that person, first to calculate BMI we have to convert 70 pound into kg. 1 kg equals to 0.45 pound. So we have to multiply 70 into 0.45 and divided by 1.12 into 1.12. So the value is 25.11 kg per meter square, and the person is in obesity grade 1 range. Now the limitation of BMI. The limitation of BMI are as follows. It cannot differentiate between large muscle mass and fat percentage of a person. So sometime an athlete, in spite of having physical fitness, due to huge muscle mass, his BMI range can be in obese range, whereas a person who is having more fat percentage, thin muscle mass, sometime can be in normal range. And instead of that, BMI also cannot differentiate age, gender and state of sickness of a person. So this is all about BMI. If you like this content, press like button, comment to let us know about it, share among your peer groups, and subscribe the YouTube channel Education India. Our next video will be on BMR. Don't forget to press bell icon to have all latest notification. Thank you.